Hello guys, welcome back here in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim much more cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on my website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website have this much active users and this much advertisement impression. And this website have much more ways to earn free cryptocurrency for collect it or just make an account in here. But I have already account. Just I click login to I log in myself in this account. Okay guys, I'm logged into my account, and you can see this website pay your Litecoin. First we're earning is a surfing hats. You can click surfing hats, watch advertisement. You can earn your free cryptocurrency for just watching advertisement. You can see this all advertisement available in here. You can watch all of the advertisements, too much advertisement, and after every 24 hours this will be reload. And the next way is a flash ads. You can watch flash ads from here. You can see this is the flash ads, and this will be have another lot of way earning from here. And the next way is a faucet, and in the faucet pay you this much Litecoin Satoshi every 5 minutes. That's too easy. Just click the step-by-step button in here. This will show you another page. It doesn't means after clicking every reward, just close the page pop-up ads. Okay, and you can see I collected my award, and I come back to my faucet. You can see this much Litecoin Satoshi I have. And the next way is a convert earning. You can convert your earning to the coins. You can easily make an account to purchase and you can make your own advertisement. In here we have a withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is 0.005 Litecoin Satoshi. Maybe if you watch all of the advertisement, it's too easy to make that much Litecoin, and after 1 week you will be able to withdraw your amount to your account wallet or to you paste in here. And this website link available in description. Thanks for watching guys, and you can come back in this website and you can earn much more amount of the earning, and you can easily make your free cryptocurrency. And thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.